Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 100-second program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and now we'll type the program. How to use read only and disabled attribute. We'll start with HTML tag, head tag, title tag, and now we'll end the title tag. Now we'll end head tag, body tag. Now we'll use form action equals to welcome.html, first name, input type equals to text, name equals to fname, value equals to magicofoneclick, read only, br tag, and we'll copy the same line and paste it in the next line. And we'll make necessary changes. Last name input type equals to text, name value equals to submit your project before 28th May, and we'll give your size equals to 30, disabled, disable elements will not be submitted, and is unclickable. Now we'll end the body tag and HTML tag. So now we'll just save it 102 and with the extension HTML and in all files. So now let us check the output. HTML and 100-second program. So this is a basic output of how to use read only and disable attribute. We cannot click this submit your project before 29th May because this is only read only. This format is in only read only attribute. So we cannot click it, and don't forget to check the tags in description for the clear and basic understanding.